Hello friends and family from Celebration, Florida. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to head right behind us over here to the Nike factory outlet store and check out like all of the cool and newest Nike sneakers that they have to offer us here. It's really kind of like a treasure hunt because they could have some really just rare sneakers and things that are really interesting. So I kind of want to put you guys onto some of the other things over here in the Orlando area that you can do while you're here on vacation. You never know what you're going to find at a Nike outlet here. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. I did want to point out a couple of the little landmarks over here by Celebration, Florida. So Celebration is literally right over here. Then they do have this kiosk that you could purchase your Walt Disney World tickets right there. But check this out. Right over here is the Nike factory store. I have never personally been in this one. I've been in like the clearance stores before, but not the factory store here. So I'm really excited to check this one out. Let's check out some of the shoes in the men's section over here. So right over here, they actually have some Jordan 1s. Like I wasn't expecting to find any Jordan 1s here, but these are the retro high tops. I love the colorway of these. These are $170. Over here they have some Nike Air Zoom Pegasus. Like these are probably really good for like running and whatnot. These are $69.99 a piece, and they do have them in a couple different colorways over here. This colorway is actually only $59.99 for this one. I really like the colorway here on these Nike Trail Pegasus. Like these are really nice actually. These ones here are $79.99, and they do have quite a bit of sizes in these ones actually. And then over here, again, another different colorway in the Nike Trail. Over here in this section is some of the different offerings for the men's running shoes. These are some Air Zooms right here, and a couple different colorways actually. I really like this colorway particularly. I like the blue Nike sign right there. Those are really nice. Over here they have some of the Nike Waffle Trainer 2s. These are $59.97 at the moment, but these are an additional 30% off. Like that there is actually a really good deal. Again, they have those in a bunch of different sizes. Here's the Nike Free Terra Vistas. These are $89.97. Again, with an additional 30% off on those. Like that's a pretty darn good deal for those. And then over here they have these ones as well for $64.97 in a different colorway, but again an additional 30% off on those as well. What do you guys think of this colorway here, like the gold colorway? These are pretty interesting though. $79.97 with an additional 30% off. And again, the size is like they have so many of them over here. Over here they have the Kill Shot 2 leather. I love the Nike sign right there on the back there. The swoosh looks really good on these. These are $69.99 a piece. And it does look like they also have some of the Blazer Low 77 vintage Nike right over here with the Nike sign and the really nice swoosh on those as well. And over here they have some more Blazer Lows. These ones here are $85 for these ones. Over here are some more Blazer Lows, but these ones here are like the Pride Collection Nike collaboration, where the Nike sign on the back is actually a little bit different than the other ones. I do like these. The suggested retail is $100, but I'm not seeing a clearance price on these. Over here is actually a really good deal on some Nike Waffle debuts. These are $44.97 with an additional 30% off. A pretty nice clean shoe right here though actually, and I love the tongue on those as well. Over here they have some Nike Dunk High Retros. These are $125. This is more like the mint green and forest green colorway. They do say Dunk on the side over there, and the swoosh actually looks really nice on these. Then over here they have the Nike Air Hurricanes. Again, another really good deal on a cool colorway. These are originally $120, now $109.97, but these are an additional 30% off on these actually. And it does look like they have another colorway here in those as well. This section over here has a bunch of Lebron shoes. These ones here are Lebron Witness, but these are $59.99 actually for these high tops. These are originally $100. And then over here they do have another pair, which actually same difference here. These were originally $115, it says, for this brighter blue colorway, but these are only $59.99 a piece, and they do have those again in quite a bit of different sizes. Looks like these is probably some of the best deals on the Lebrons right here, because these are $69.97, but these are an additional 30% off on these ones. And this sneaker here is actually really clean. I like these. There's also some more Lebrons over here. These are the Lebron Soldiers. These are suggested retail of $120, and these are actually $79.99 at the moment. Yeah, I'm a fan of some strange colorways, and this one here is actually right down my alley. Like, those are really cool. Then over here, check out these Lebrons. These ones are suggested retail of $250, now $199.99 with an additional 30% off on these. You actually have Lebron's facsimile signature up there. Over here in this section, they do have some of the Nike Ebrenon lows. These are originally $65 a piece actually, and you do have the really cool Nike symbol on the back of these, but these are actually only $39.99 at the moment. And it does look like over here in this section, they do have the same difference in the white version here for $39.99. Over here, Brandy actually pointed out another pair of Lebrons. These are originally $250. Marked down, that is. Yeah, these are $150 off at $99.99. And they do have kind of like bubbles in there. And like, these are really nice actually with Lebron's facsimile signature. And they have those again in all different sizes over here at the outlet. A couple different Jordan offerings that they have over here are the Jordan Access. These are $94.99, but they do have these in a couple different colorways over here. The suggested retail on these is $110 actually. I definitely probably a fan of this colorway right here for $94.99, and also this one right over here. Yeah, I love this one. This one is really nice actually. Very clean sneaker, and they actually say Jumpman on the tongue of these. A really nice pair of Nike SB Alley Oops. Check these ones out. They're like the suede material. These are $69.99 a piece. Then you have the on the tongue there, Nike SB Alley Oop. And really nice colorway of this sneaker. So let's actually check out some of the sneakers over here. Like, this is the entire clearance section. I do want to check these out. These are an additional 30% off. It looks like they have some Nike Air Max here. These are originally $90. A really nice colorway in there. But again, these are an additional 30% off. Check out some of the other offerings that they have in here. You really never know what you're gonna find over here though, really. Some Jordan Zions, these are $120 with 30% off as well. Over here, Nike Space Hippies. Oh, I remember these when these dropped actually. These are really funky. I love these though. These are $99.97 with an additional 30% off. Over here they have some Nike Air Zoom Terra Kiggers. These are originally $130, now $109. I do want to point out over here, if you guys want to screenshot this, here's the price breakdown with the additional 30% off of the footwear. Let's check out some of the other sneakers that they have over here. It looks like they have some Lebrons in here. These are $169 for this one. Then they have another pair over here for $119. Those are really interesting though. Over here they have some Jordan Series .03s. These are $80. A really cool colorway on these, again with the additional 30% off on those as well. Let's see what else we got hanging out over here in this section though. We got some Nike Renew Fusions. These are originally $85, now $39.97. These ones here are some Nike Air Max for $99.97. A really nice clean colorway in those as well. Then over here they have some Kyrie fly traps for $79.99 with an additional 30% off. Yeah, they got some really good offerings actually on this trip. Again, some more Jordan Zions. These are $120. Let's see what else we got over here. They have some Nike Air Zoom Structures. These are $89.99 for those ones. Over here they have Nike Zoom Pegasus again for $89.99. What do we have over here? Okay, we got some Air Zoom Victory Tour 2s. These are actually cleats. These are $180. Then over here they have Nike React Infinity Run 2s as well. These ones are $129. Let's see what we have up here. We have some Nike Dunk High Retros. These ones, again, a very, very clean colorway. These ones are $110. Let's check out some of the backpacks here. They have some Nike Just Do It backpacks, neon green. These are $25. This one over here is like a metallic. This one was originally $35, now $25. And again, another Just Do It here in a brown colorway with a blue Nike Just Do It. These are $19.99, marked down from $25. They're also having a really good deal on the graphic tees. These are 2 for $25. The Nike Just Do It ones, they do have these in many different sizes, but you have like a seafoam green there, a white one, a purple colorway, and then a black t-shirt. I also want to show these ones over here. Again, these are all 2 for $25. You could mix and match all these, but you have like the hunter green right here, a nice black colorway. They even have like a right over here, like a blue colorway with the swoosh there. These are really nice though. 2 for $25. Over here in the Jordan section, additional 40% off shorts only. Yeah, these shorts here are actually really nice. They have 2 different colors of these. They have the blue ones and then the red ones. These are originally $50, now $34.99 with an additional 40% off. And actually, they do have those in black down here as well. A couple different offerings here in Jordan hoodies. This red one is actually really nice. These are $80, marked down to $55 with an additional 30% off. But they do have the red ones right over here. They have the gray Jordan hoodies. Then also over here, they have the Jumpman standard fit basketball shorts, which are really nice. These are an additional 30% off as well. Yeah, these are really cool actually. Then right underneath here, they do have some matching sweatpants to these. These are $80, marked down to $55. They have gray and red in those. Looks like all the Jordan stuff over here is actually 30% off. I do want to check out these sweatpants. These ones were originally $75, marked down to $50 with an additional 30% off. They have the black ones there, and then the white ones right over here in the white colorway with the Jumpman there. They even have some LeBron James Laker Nike jerseys here. These are $79.99, marked down from $110. Again, very, very good quality, the Nike ones. This is really nice actually, a great deal if you guys are looking for a LeBron James jersey. Looks like they also have a couple different Jordans over here on this wall. Nothing too crazy, but over here they have some mid-tops. These are really nice actually, a really nice colorway. But check out some of the women's Air Force ones over here. These are the 07s. They have the pearls on there. Very, very clean. I love the white. These are $110 in those ones. And they over here, they have women's Air Force ones. A great deal on these. A great colorway. $74.97. And these are actually an additional 30% off at the moment. Pretty darn good deal for some really nice Air Force ones here. Couple AF1 shadows. These ones were originally $84.97 with an additional 30% off. I love the orange colorway on these. Then over here they have some more AF1 shadows. These ones were originally $120, marked down to $99.99. A really fun colorway though. I had such a great time doing something a little bit different today, checking out one of the Nike factory stores. There's also like some clearance stores and some places over on Vineland and International Drive. If you guys would like to have us check those out, drop a comment down below which ones you'd like us to check out for you guys. If you'd like to further support the channel, please consider checking out our Patreon page. I'll let a link to that in the description box of this video. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.